Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing the MAF sensor on the ML because apparently that fixes it being sluggish. So we're going to give it a go and go from there. Alright guys, let's fit this MAF sensor to see if this makes any difference, a blind bit of difference going up a hill, because it's very sluggish. We've got the old spray in case anything is a bit rusty and crusty. We've got this little toolkit, obviously there's the key. Now we'll put the bonnet and we will attempt to do it. I believe this is the culprit. So there's just one bolt there. I can't see a bolt underneath there. No, I think there is a bolt there. Hold on, let's go for that. Yeah, there's a bolt there. Okay, we shall look at the new one. Obviously, we know Starline's not the fantastic, but it's only to test it out, and it was the one I thought. It's unplugged right now, so now we'll try and get these bolts out. We might have to end up removing this though. One's already in there. Right, both screws out. A bit disconnected. We shall see if we can pop this out now. Right, well, that one didn't have one on there. This one had a bolt in there. We've managed to pop it out. Well, pop it and get that out. Get that loosen out. This is the old one. Replace it with a new one and see if it makes it any better going uphill. Apparently, online it does. We shall give it a go. So does this look like the original? Because this is the aftermarket one we've got. So we'll put this in and we'll give it a go. Going uphill and seeing if it's not sluggish. And we'll just get it all plugged in. There's a lot of oil on the side here though. Lots of sketchy oil. There's bolts missing everywhere. There. Oh, that's not bolts missing. Anyway, they don't look right. But it's 26 years old. Bolts back in there. Now we're going to plug it in. Put this panel back on a bit nicer than it is so far. And then we shall take it for a ride. Take it for a rip and see if it's not sluggish going up hills anymore. All back together with the new sensor in it. That's been put back down. So it's all good. And then we shall see how it goes. Make sure it's all right. Okay. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.